Hello, my dear class 9th students. In last session, that is in the last period, we learned the different types of polynomial on the basis of terms. That is monomial, binomial, trinomial, etc. All are the polynomials. And also, depending on the degree of the polynomial, degree means the highest power of the variable in the given polynomial is called its degree. And if we think about its degree of that polynomial, then depending on the degree also there are some types of the polynomials. For example, a polynomial whose degree is 1, that is linear polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 2, that is quadratic polynomial, and a polynomial whose degree is 3, that is cubic polynomial. So like that. Okay. Now today we will discuss the zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial. What is zeros of a polynomial? We know that polynomial is an algebraic expression. Polynomial is an algebraic expression with one or many terms. वन और मेनी टर्म्स, उसमें एक भी हो सकता है टर्म और बहुत सारे भी हो सकते हैं. ऐसा अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें बहुत सारे टर्म्स होते हैं या एक भी होता है, दैट इज पॉलिनोमियल, है ना. एंड जीरोस ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल आर द रियल वैल्यूज. जीरोस ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल. व्हाट इज जीरोस ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल? Zeros of a polynomial. See here, suppose I have this 2x minus 6, suppose 2x minus 6. Now this is binomial, but since the degree is 1, so it is a linear polynomial. So generally this polynomial we denotes by p of x. P of x. P of x is 2x minus 6. As this is the polynomial in variable x, therefore we write it as p of x. Polynomial in x is 2x minus 6. Now see, suppose I put here instead of x as 3, put x equal to 3 here. What happens? So this is 2x, 2 into 3 minus 6, that is 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Means the value of the polynomial becomes 0. Due to which this 3, if I put here 3 instead of x, then the value of this polynomial becomes 0. Therefore 3 is called the 0 of this polynomial. 3 is called 0 of the polynomial. So zeros of polynomial are the real values. Zeros of polynomial are real values. Zeros of zeros may be 1, 2 or 3, it depends upon its degree. Zeros of polynomial are real values. आपकी जो वैल्यूज रहेगी वो रियल वैल्यूज रहेगी. किसकी? वेरिएबल की. ऑफ द वेरिएबल जो आपने यूज किया, x किया होगा x, y किया y, तो उसकी वैल्यूज. For which the value of the polynomial, for which the value of the polynomial becomes 0. है सिंपल वे में, जिस वैल्यू की वजह से पॉलिनोमियल की कीमत 0 बनती है, उस वैल्यू को, उस पॉलिनोमियल को 0 कहेंगे. ओके. इफ p, m and n are the zeros of a polynomial. अगर किसी पॉलिनोमियल के जीरो अगर m और n है देन तो p ऑफ m की वैल्यू जीरो होना चाहिए, p ऑफ n की वैल्यू भी जीरो होना चाहिए, तभी हम कह सकते हैं कि m और n उसके जीरो है। सिंपली जनरली लीनियर अगर पॉलिनोमियल है इन जनरल वे, if ax plus b, this is a polynomial but it is a linear polynomial. If ax plus b is a polynomial then it's zero. टू फाइंड द जीरो, उसका जीरो निकालने के लिए क्या करते हैं हम, पहला उसका कीमत जीरो बना दे, देन टू फाइंड इट्स जीरो टेक ax प्लस b इक्वल टू जीरो, उसकी वैल्यू जीरो कर दो पहले, तो क्या मिलेगा x की वैल्यू देखो, तो ax इक्वल टू माइनस b, x इक्वल टू माइनस बी अपॉन ए, ये जो वैल्यू है आपकी x इक्वल टू माइनस बी अपॉन ए, वो उसका जीरो हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, if 3x plus 9 is a linear polynomial, find its zero. So let this is p of x. So p of x जो है 3x plus 9 है, polynomial in x, that is 3x plus 9. To find its zero, take 3x plus 9 equal to 0 ले लो, ठीक है। So 3x equal to minus 9, therefore x equal to minus 9 by 3, therefore x equal to minus 3. So x equal to minus 3 is the zero of this polynomial. तो हमारा जो polynomial था p of x equal to 3x plus 9 था। चलो let us put x equal to minus 3, what happens? p of minus 3 equal to 3 into x, 3 into minus 3, then plus 9, 3 into minus 3, minus 9 plus 9, that is 0. Means because of this minus 3 value, the value of this polynomial becomes 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. In general, if ax plus b is a polynomial, then x equal to minus b upon a is its 0. So in this way, we can find the zeros of the polynomial. Zero means actually, if we see it geometrically, see this value generally, let p of x जो है हमारे पास में x plus 3 ले लेंगे, x plus 3, अभी हमको मालूम है इसका आंसर जो है जीरो, इसका माइनस 3 है, माइनस 3 प्लस 3 जीरो हो जाएगा। सो ज्योमेट्रिकली p of x में जनरली y है, y इक्वल टू x plus 3। अगर हम इसका ग्राफ निकालेंगे तो y कोऑर्डिनेट जीरो कहाँ पर बनता है, x के कौन से वैल्यू के लिए y कोऑर्डिनेट जीरो बनता है, तो देखते हैं ज्योमेट्रिकली। दिस इज योर टू डायमेंशनल ज्योमेट्री, 1 2 3 4, दिस इज x एक्सिस, दिस इज y एक्सिस सपोज, ओके। सो दिस इज -1 -2 -3 -4, 1 2 3 4 -1 -2 -3, okay। Take x equal to 1, if I take x equal to 1, I am getting here 4, so 1 4, y की कीमत 4 मिलेगी, -2 ले लेते हैं, -2 लिया तो y equal to 1 मिलेगा, -2 लिया तो 1 मिलेगा, 1 मिलेगा यहाँ पर, -3 लेते हैं, -3 लिया तो -3 प्लस 3 0, y equal to 0, ये वाला पॉइंट मिलेगा, तो ये हमको पॉइंट्स मिले। तो ये जो है आपकी ये लाइन, तो ये जो लाइन है इस लाइन पर y की कीमत 0 कहाँ पर है, तो यहाँ पर है। सो व्हेन x इक्वल टू -3, y कोऑर्डिनेट इज 0, यहीं पर खाली y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है, बाकी जगहों पर y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 नहीं है। सो द वैल्यू ऑफ x वेयर y कोऑर्डिनेट इज 0, दैट वैल्यू ऑफ x इज कॉल्ड 0 ऑफ दैट पॉलीनोमियल, ओके। 0 means it is a real number due to which the value of the polynomial becomes 0. That is called the 0 of that polynomial. Okay, now let us see some examples. Find the value of polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at number 1 x equal to 0, number 2 x equal to minus 1, number 3 x equal to 2. तो तीनों वैल्यूज के लिए दिए हुआ जो पॉलिनोमियल है उसकी कीमत निकालना हमको. तो सॉल्यूशन, तो यहाँ पर p ऑफ x पॉलिनोमियल हमारा ये है. हियर p ऑफ x पॉलिनोमियल जो दिया है 5x minus 4x square plus 3. तो हम क्या करेंगे, पहले x equal to 0 के लिए निकालो. ओके, सो फॉर x equal to 0, अगर x equal to 0 पुट करते तो इस पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू क्या बनते देखते हैं. सो p of 0 that is 5 into 0 minus replace x by 0, 0 square plus 3, 5 into 0 is 0 minus 0 square is 0, 4 into 0 is 0 plus 3. So answer is 3. So p of 0 is equal to 3. Okay, then p of minus 1 for x equal to minus 1 लिख देंगे. So p of minus 1, जहाँ जहाँ x है वहाँ पे minus 1 पुट करते हैं. 5 into this x, 5 into minus 1, then minus 4 into x square, that is minus 1 square plus 3. Okay, so this is plus 5, plus into minus, this is minus 5 into 1, that is 5. Then minus 4 into minus square, it is even number, power of what is minus 1 is even number, so it will be plus, so it is plus 1 plus 3. So that minus 5, this is minus 4, minus 4 into plus 1, minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 5 and minus 4, minus 9 plus 3, that is minus 6. Value of the polynomial is minus 6. Okay, then similarly we can find the value of the given polynomial at x equal to 2. It is x equal to 2, at x equal to 2 means p of 2. So 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. Okay, 5 into 2 is 10 minus 4 into 2 square is 4 plus 3. So 10, 4 into 4 16 plus 3. 10 minus 6 minus 6 plus 3, that is minus 3. So value of the polynomial is minus 3. So in this way you can find the value of the given polynomial at given values of x. x की जो वैल्यू आपको दी रहेगी उस वैल्यू के लिए उसका हम 0 उसका वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. Second type of questions, question number 2. Find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. P of 2 for each of the following polynomials. For each of the following polynomials. Okay, so number 1, polynomial is given in the variable y. P of y equals to y square minus y plus 1. Okay, so let us first of all find out the value of p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 for this polynomial. Okay, so solution. Here p of y is y square minus y plus 1. So p of 0 you put 0 instead of y. So put 0 square minus 0 plus 1, that is 0 minus 0 plus 1, 0 square is 0. So it gives 1. Answer is 1. P of 0 is 1. Then find out P of 1. P of 1 means y square means 1 square minus this 1 plus 1. 1 square is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 cancel again 1. Then P of 2 y square 2 square minus the y is 2 then plus 1. 2 square is 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 2 plus 1, that is 3. So in this way we can find P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 for the given polynomial. Second polynomial is 2, it is in variable t. P of t equals to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. So let us find out P of 0. So P of 0, put t equal to 0. So 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. So this is 2 plus 0 plus 0 square is 0, 2 into 0 is 0, then minus 0 cube is 0, that is answer is 2. So P of t, that is P of 0 is 2. Then P of 1, 2 plus t means 1 plus 2t square means 2 into 1 square minus t cube, that is 1 cube. So that is 2 plus 1 plus 1 square is 1, 2 into 1 is 2, minus 1 cube is 1, that is minus 1. So this is 5 minus 1, 2 to 4 plus 1, 5 minus 1, that is 4. Okay. Then find out the P of 2, P of 2, 2 plus t is 2 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube. Just you have to put 2 instead of t here. So P of 2 is 2 plus 2 plus 2 into this is 4, 2 square is 4 minus 2 cube is 8. That is, this is 4 plus 8 minus 8 plus 8 minus 8 will get cancelled. So answer will be 4. Okay. So in this way you can try for other polynomials also. Okay. You can find out the value of P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 and like that. Then next question. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. उसके सामने जो वैल्यूज लिखी है पॉलिनोमियल की, क्या वो वैल्यूज उसके जीरो है? सो नंबर 1, P of x is 3x plus 1 and he has given the value x equal to minus 1 by 3. So you have to check whether x equal to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 or not. So therefore for x equal to minus 1 by 3, so P of minus 1 by 3, put x equal to minus 1 by 3. So it will be 3 into minus 1 by 3 then plus 1. Then this will be minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. So value of the polynomial, this polynomial becomes a 0 due to this value. Therefore this is called the 0 of this polynomial. So minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of this polynomial 3x plus 1. Next, P of x equal to x square minus 1. You have to check x equal to 1 and minus both the values. 1 and minus 1. Which one is the 0? As it is actually a quadratic polynomial, it is lateral, so it will have two zeros. It is quadratic polynomial. So let us check for 1. Here P of 1 equal to 1 square minus 1. 1 square is 1 minus 1, that is 0. So P of 1 is the 0 of this polynomial. Check for another P of minus 1 x square, that is minus 1 square minus 1 minus square minus 1 square equal to 1. So this is also 0. So 1 and minus 1 both are the 0 of this polynomial, because you know that x square minus 1 can be written as your x square minus 1 square, a square minus b square, x plus 1 into x minus 1. If I consider that this is 0, value of this polynomial equal to 0. So this bracket, multiplication of these two brackets would be 0. So product of these two brackets is equal to 0 is possible if and only if either this x plus 1 should be 0 or x minus 1 should be 0. तभी तो ये दोनों ब्रैकेट का प्रोडक्ट 0 आएगा. सो x इक्वल टू यहाँ पे क्या आएगा -1, x इक्वल टू आएगा 1. सो x की दो वैल्यूज है, x इक्वल टू 1 and -1 आर द zeros of this polynomial. Okay. Then again next one, P of x equals to 3x square minus 1. Values of x are minus 1 upon root 3 and 2 upon root 3. So which one is the 0 of this polynomial, that you have to check. So let us check for this. For x equal to minus 1 upon root 3, इसके लिए हम चेक कर दें. So P of minus 1 upon root 3 equal to 3x square. So 3 into bracket x is minus 1 upon root 3 whole square. Then minus 1, this is equals to 3 into minus square. It is even numbers, it will be plus. Plus में आएगा 1 का square 1, root 3 का square 3 minus 1. 3 will cancel. So 1 minus 1, that is 0. Yes, this is the 0 of this polynomial. इस polynomial का ये 0 है. दूसरा चेक करते हैं. For x equal to 2 upon root 3. For x equal to 2 upon root 3. So P of 2 upon root 3 equal P upon, put x equal to 2 upon root 3. So 3x square, 3 into 2 upon root 3 square minus 1. Okay. So it is equals to 3 into 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3, then minus 1. That is 3 will be cancelled. 4 minus 1, that is 3. So value of the polynomial is not 0 here. Therefore 2 by root 3 is not the 0. This is not the 0 of this polynomial. Okay, this way you can find the zeros of the given polynomial by checking whether the values of the polynomial become 0 or not. If the value of the polynomial becomes 0, then the value of x, that value will be the 0. Okay, thank you.